Titans Go!
Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're unboxing the latest Hot Wheels character cars based on Teen Titans Go. Number 1 in this set is the character Robin. So Robin, of course, is the leader of the Teen Titans, and his sports car looks like it might be one of the coolest and maybe even the fastest on the team. But the best thing about this character car is the way that it captures the look of Robin. So we have the red shirt, the R on the front end, the green fenders, which are like green sleeves, and green toward the rear like his pants. And a few of my other favorite touches are the black cape spoiler on the back, the black spiked up hair on the roof, and even the windows, which are shaped like Robin's mask. And speaking of mask, even the rear taillights are shaped like eyes. Then we have the Titans Go license plate in the middle, and even the front spoiler is fully adjustable. So talk about a well-detailed character car, this thing is fully decked out, and that's why I'm such a big fan of Robin's sports car. Number 2 in the set is the character Starfire. So Starfire's character car is kind of like a Mini Cooper or a Fiat 500. The front of the car is sort of her face, so it's skin color, and then along the side we have the two-tone purple outfit, and of course hot pink hair for the roof. And I do believe the green windows are a reference to her superpower of shooting star bolts, which are green ultraviolet energy. She normally wears purple boots with stars on the soles, but in this case it's purple wheels with stars in the headlights. So overall Starfire is a very solid vehicle, and you can even see the hairlines in the roof. Number 3 is the character Beast Boy. So Beast Boy's character car is modeled as a pickup truck, and his signature colors are his green skin and his black turtleneck with the purple center. A few of the standout features on this one include the tooth for a tow hitch, the shaggy green hair hanging over the windows, and the ear-shaped exhaust pipes. But since Beast Boy's a little messy, he's kind of a hoarder and a little bit lazy, the back of his pickup truck is full of garbage, and I think that's one of the coolest features. The wheels on his truck also match his shoes, which match his outfit, and overall I think that looks awesome. Number 4 in the set is the character Raven. So here we have Raven's car, and this one might be my favorite one in the whole set. Well, first of all, Raven wears an indigo colored cloak and a yellow amulet with a red center, and that's showing right here on the vehicle. But styling wise, there aren't too many details on the body. However, you will notice 2 skulls on the back that might be a reference to the skulls on the bottom of her shoes. What I really like about Raven's car is the vintage body style, so the wide body fender arches that cover up the wheels, the pointed front grille, and the matching pointed roof. I was also extremely curious about the little pink pony inside of the car, and it turns out that Raven is a fan of Pretty Pegasus, so that's one of her toys riding inside. And number 5 in the set is the character Cyborg. So Cyborg's character car is like a lifted SUV or truck, and it makes sense because he used to be an athlete and he's also the biggest guy on the team. His vehicle definitely captures the half-man, half-robot look, and if you look at the front end here, he even has the red robot eye and his regular eye on the right side. And since his reconstructed body is built out of circuits, you can see them in the window here, the roof, the front window, the rear window, and even on the other side as well. I feel like the major styling changes from one side to the other definitely make this vehicle pretty special and one of the best ones in the set. So there we have all 5 Hot Wheels Teen Titans Go character cars, and whether you're a fan of Teen Titans or not, they're definitely 5 special vehicles with very unique features. If you want to see more unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon with more new Hot Wheels.